Government assured that it will distribute across the country the first batch of locally produced nose masks as announced by the president. The assurance came on the back of a contract signed with 5 companies to produce a total of 3.6 million masks. Per the ministry's calculation, they will take delivery of 150,000 daily and will be distributed within 7 days.
The Minister for Trade has selected 5 big companies to sew 3.6 million face masks, these nose masks. They will start delivery by tomorrow. We will take delivery of 150,000 each day, and within the next 7 days or so, the whole country will be flooded with these masks, especially for health workers.
City News' checks at some private health facilities indicate that they are yet to receive their share of the items as promised. At the Bano Memorial Hospital at Latabi-Okoshi in the Ablekuma Central Municipality, where the facility has an isolation center for COVID-19 management, government has not provided for them.
It's absolutely crucial, okay, because we are health workers, but at the end of the day, we're not hoping to die in the process. So I have young people working with me. You want to conserve and preserve their lives. So with a respiratory contagious condition like COVID-19, you know you have to be in masks. The minute everybody realized that a mask will protect you, people went out into town to go and buy masks. So the price of masks has gone up to, I mean, some people are even selling 500. We're getting about 350 for a box, which you were buying for maybe like 17 CDs. It's as ridiculous as that. So I think it is important for government to remember some of us. At least give us a few so that our nurses are protected. I mean, to be honest with you, for the majority of the population, I am a strong advocate for wearing of masks. So protect me, I protect you.
The Bano Memorial Hospital is not alone. Samala Clinic in the Wejagbawe municipality is also in dire need of PPEs.
Since outbreak of Corona-19, we are trying to organize ourselves locally. We purchase our own mask, our own PPE. We are buying all this with our money. So we expect government to come on our side with the help, because this area where we are, New Bawe, it's #1 area with amount of people detected with coronavirus. So we want government to count us as their children, because we are not a stepchildren of health workers. We are also workers and working for Ghanaians. So government should come and help us with anything what they can do on our to help us to fight this outbreak.
We use those monies to buy our ECG and water, and now this corona is in, so you have to use part of the money we generate to buy these PPEs. It's really disturbing. It's a sad challenge to us. We spend close to 1,000 Ghana cedis frequently just to buy all these stuff, and it's really disturbing our financial situation at the moment.
One other essential to these private medical facilities need is the training of their staff in the management of COVID-19 with the right protocols.
Government has done very well with contact tracing, but the probability that there are few who have gone into some communities that are outside the cities and who probably at this stage are not well and are spreading is highly likely and highly possible. So if you have a private practitioner in a community, his capacity to identify that this case that I have is COVID-19, isolate the person and inform the regional directorate is absolutely crucial.
Apart from the training, they also need to be a part of government's package for front-line workers.
We've not heard anything from them. What we know is only the government sector that they are part of this package, but we've not heard anything from the government as to whether we are part or not. So we just want to find out from the government if the private sector is also part of these packages which are being given to the government institutions.
A tour of their facilities shows their preparedness to manage any eventuality. The health minister has announced that 150,000 face masks will be made available in the coming weeks. Where are these masks? A big question for the ministry and authorities to answer. My name is Kojo Ajman reporting for City News.